We'll guide you through how to navigate Asana updates. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top bar for the help icon, usually represented by a question mark inside a circle. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can select What's New to see the latest updates and features Asana has rolled out. This section is regularly updated with new functionalities and enhancements, so it's a great place to start if you're trying to keep up with all of Asana's changes. Once you're familiar with what's new, you can explore these features in your projects. For example, if there's a new task management tool, you should try using it in a current project to see how it improves your workflow. Don't hesitate to click around and explore. Asana's interface is designed to be intuitive, so you can learn a lot just by experimenting. Remember, if you ever get stuck, you can always return to the help icon and search for specific guidance on any feature. This ensures you're always getting the most out of Asana's powerful tools. And if you find any update particularly useful, share the news with your team to enhance everyone's productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.